If you're watching this video to know if financial advisor is the right career for you, then keep watching. Hi, I'm Adrian Mercado. I'm a manager here at Manulife, and today, i-share ko sa inyo ano ba yung trabaho ng isang financial advisor. And after watching this video is for you to decide if this is something that's right for you. So a little background about me. Just like you, once upon a time, I explored this industry from the scratch. I started this industry as a struggling financial advisor. I'm broke, faced many challenges. But through consistency and commitment and learning along the way, I am now reaping the rewards of this industry. And my mission today is to help people like you understand and explore this opportunity. Because this opportunity can be a rewarding both financially and personally. But you have to put your heart and effort into it. So let's understand first, bakit ba there's a high demand of financial advisors? So people needs guidance, especially when it comes to money. So you can think about this way. So let's say gusto mo magpapayat, gusto mo mag-diet, gusto mo mag-exercise. Having a coach makes it easier. Kasi yung coach na yan will guide you, will be accountable to you, keep you accountable, and make sure you're on track. Same goes with our money. Tayo, mga tao, alam naman natin na dapat nagsisave tayo, nag-i-invest tayo, or may insurance tayo. But without guidance, people don't know what to do, when to do it, and kung enough ba yung meron sila. So as a financial advisor, doon tayo pumapasok. So our role as a financial advisor is actually simple. We help our clients go from point A to point B. Point A is kung nasan sila right now, point B is yung goal nila. So we start by getting to know our clients. We have to understand their situation, their goals, their family, and their dreams and worries. As a financial advisor, we don't sell products. We start by asking and understanding our clients. We talk about our clients' income, their savings goals, their emergency fund, or kung meron na ba silang life insurance, health insurance, and ano yung goal nila and why they want to reach that goal. It's important for us to understand that. Once we understand where they are right now and where they want to go, we see that there's a gap. And our job as a financial advisor is to bridge that gap. Once we solve their problem, that's where we earn. You can think of financial advisors as a doctor. We are financial doctors. As a doctor, hindi naman magbibigay yan ng reseta, ng gamot without diagnosing their patient. So as a financial advisor, ganun din tayo. We don't recommend financial solutions to our client without understanding first their situation, their needs, and their goals. We diagnose first, then we advise. So how a financial advisor earn? So we earn by helping our clients through life insurance, health insurance, investment plan, and life insurance. We help them reach point A, where they are right now, to point B, where they want to be, through our solutions, through our products. But remember, selling products is only 10% of our job. The bigger part is understanding our clients, knowing their real needs, and giving them the right advice. So we don't push products, we care, listen, and guide our clients. So paano ba kumikita ang isang life insurance advisor, financial advisor? So let me give you a quick example. Let's say, during your conversation with a client, a breadwinner, a parent, he understand that before siya makarating sa point A to point B, kailangan niya ng adequate life insurance. And ang life insurance, it should be 10 times of the annual income of our clients. So for example, ang client natin is earning 500,000 a year. So they should have around 5 million life insurance. So upon asking questions kay client, let's say na-identify natin na meron lang siyang 1 million na life insurance. So there's a 4 million gap. So yung gap na yon, that's where we help cover. We offer solutions, we offer plan para ma-cover, para ma-fulfill yung 4 million na kulang niya na life insurance. So now, why I chose Manulife? First and foremost, lahat ng top companies sa Sa Pilipinas, type mo sa Google, mag-random pili ka dyan. I guarantee you, all of those companies are strong, trusted, and stable. The difference here kay Manulife is we are a stable and trusted company. We've been operating worldwide for 130 years. Sa Pilipinas, 117 years. So, ibig sabihin, we had the track record and longevity of serving our clients more than a century. At the same time, si Manulife din is number 1 pagdating sa market capitalization. Meaning that in terms of asset, net worth, and net income, number 1 tayo. This is very important kasi we are in the business of paying claims, paying our clients. Kasi we pay when the client pass away, we pay when the client gets sick, we pay when our clients' kids goes to school, we pay when our clients retire. So having a financial stability matters because our promises must be kept. Okay? So by joining Manulife, hindi ka mapapahiya sa client. Next is we have a state-of-the-art sales system. Ibig sabihin, if you meet a client, make recommendations, you don't need to print proposals. Digital na lahat. And proposals are fully customizable within a minute. And if a client wants to adjust the coverages, let's say gusto niya lakihan or gusto niya liitan, we can adjust that instantly. Plus, we also have a strong agent support and online tools. So you can service your client, okay? You can check client details anytime. You can track their policies. You can provide updates easily. All you need is a gadget and an internet. So let's answer why choosing the right team matters. Your success in this industry does not solely depend on you. It also depends on the team kung saan ka mag-join. So you need to ask yourself, number 1, is your leader committed to help you grow both personally and financially? Number 2, yung recruiter mo ba, yung leader mo ba, has a history of success in this industry and can guide you step by step. Number 3, does your team provide the training, support, and the tools you need so you can start strong in this industry? Kasi remember, a thriving financial advisor, the only difference of a thriving financial advisor and a struggling financial advisor is the team that supports him. So be careful when choosing the team kung saan ka mag-join. So here in Manulife AAA team, we're committed in helping you grow. Kasi when you grow, we grow. And we have battle-tested leaders, financial advisors, and coaches here. Even myself, including myself. So makakaasa ka na whatever the tools, the strategies, and the learning that you got from us, it's not theoretical. We already applied it. We already been successful using the tools na ibibigay namin sa iyo. And we are ready to guide you through the challenges na siguradong ma-experience mo and help you reach your success faster. Now, let's answer. Is this the right career for you? This is the right career for you if you enjoy communicating, talking to people. You enjoy helping others. You care about the mission, not just the commission. And if you want to earn more, write your own check, provide the financial abundance for yourself and for your family, while also making an impact and having a purposeful career, then this definitely is the best career for you. So if you're ready to join our Manulife AAA team, kontakin mo lang yung taong nag-invite sa'yo. Or you can reach out to me directly. Mention that you finished this video by saying, I am a AAA advisor. It shows us that you're serious and have an integrity, which is a needed ingredient para maging successful tayo sa industry na to. So again, I'm Adrian Mercado. I hope to meet you very soon.